If you're still not using AI to automate your business, you are getting left behind. Are you the kind of person who's wasting their own valuable time getting back to each lead, following up with them? Or do you have a whole team set up just to manage these leads first and then get back to them? If that sounds like you, you're gonna face a lot of problems in 2025. But I mean, if you're happy with wasting your own time and leaving the money on the table, who am I to tell you anything? You can close the video and you can go back to managing the leads that you have gotten today. But if you genuinely want to save time and make money while only serving the perfect clients for you, AI is the solution. AI can automate 80% of your sales funnel so that you and your team only focuses on closing the sales and making more money. Your business won't survive in 2025 without this AI system, and I mean it. Now, before I hop right into what this AI system can do for your business and how valuable it is, let me ask you a question. What do you think is your number one problem right now? I'm sure 90% of the businessmen watching this video would have said lead generation. But I want you to realize that lead generation is not a problem. It has been fed to us by these Facebook ad agencies or these digital marketing agencies or these SMMA agencies that lead generation is your number one problem and lead generation is the most difficult part of your business. But I want you to realize that lead generation is the easiest part. At least that's what I believe. Anyone can generate leads using paid ads or organic content. Let's assume that you're working with a marketing agency and they bring you a lot of leads this week. Let's say about 500 leads. So, how will you manage 500 leads at once? What's your plan of action? Are you going to hire a full fledged team just to make connections and follow up with them and qualify those leads? Or are you one of them who just think that I can do everything by myself? What's your plan of action to qualify all those 500 leads? If you think any of those two is a good option, spoiler alert, leads are gonna slip through cracks. So let's suppose that you spend about 30 minutes with each lead, just making connection with them, just understanding the problem and qualifying them. That is about 250 hours or almost 12 days. And after you and your team spend 250 hours qualifying each and every lead, that's when you realize that 80% of the people I've talked to are not even the perfect fit for me. They're unqualified. And the time that you've wasted on those unqualified leads, the actual 5 or 10% of the actual qualified leads are now tired and bored of waiting for you. And now they're going to someone else. Your competitor is going to take them and work with them. So basically, you have wasted your time and you have left money on the table. You have left clients that were 100% yours just because you didn't have a perfect system to take them through. And now you're just sitting there like this person who's just tired, like, "Argh, I'm generating 500 leads and why can't I close any one of them?" If you are facing the similar problem of lead management or you just want to improve the systems inside your business using AI, there's a link in my description to book in a free one on one AI growth call with me where we discuss how AI can help you grow your business and how AI can completely transform your sales pipeline forever. Here it is. This is how the AI system can transform your lead management completely. Now, remember the 12 days that we talked about before, the 12 days that it's going to take you to get back to 500 leads. Well, bring that 12 days down to seconds because AI is going to get back to each lead within seconds. A study even shows that if you get back to a lead within 5 minutes, there is high chances that that lead turns into a high paying customer. So, well, AI is going to do that for you. Now, once AI has started talking to that lead, then it goes on to step number two, that is qualification. AI will qualify leads so that you're not stuck with just 10 junk leads. You have the best 15 leads out of those 500. AI will make sure of that. As a businessman, we all realize that converting a lead into a high paying customer is not a game of 30 minutes or 40 minutes or one call or one text. It's a game of constantly following up, constantly building connection, constantly building trust. And AI has got that covered for you. AI can schedule and execute follow up messages at the perfect time. Out of the hundreds and hundreds of leads that you get, there are going to be so many that are unqualified today but have the potential to become your next high paying customer. And with our AI system, our target is to make more money and not let any potential prospect go away. So these unqualified leads go to a nurture sequence to get them qualified. So over the course of a month or 2 months or 3 months or maybe more, they keep getting relevant information, relevant documents, relevant offers, and by the end of that time period, they are ready to become your next high paying customer. This is how your sales pipeline looks right now. You're generating leads, then you get back to each lead, you qualify the prospect, you follow up with them, you answer a few questions, and then you finally book in a meeting and then you take a sales call. Pretty average. But what I want you to understand is that you don't have to waste your own time on each of these steps. The only two places where you and your team is actually needed is to generate the leads and then to finally take the sales call. And if you guys are doing anything other than these two steps, you guys are simply wasting your time. Because how do you plan on scaling your business when everyone inside your team, including yourself, is just stuck running behind leads? Wasting so much time every single day just following up with them, just trying to connect with them, just trying to build trust. But with this AI system inside your business, you never have to worry about any of that stuff because AI will do everything for you. All you have to do is generate leads and then AI will get back to each lead within seconds. AI will also handle the qualification process. The follow ups will be completely automated. AI will handle any objections and finally book in a call for you to take. Your business is gonna make money on autopilot with this system. Almost 80% of the businesses face the same lead management problem, and you could be one of them. But now you have two options. You can stay in that 80% and remain average, or you can use AI to improve your lead management process. If you choose option number two, there's a link in my description to book in a free one on one AI growth call with me where we discuss how AI can help you grow your business. I'll see you on the call.